Welcome back to J2EE tutorials. In the previous tutorials, we created a forum application using HTML. So right now in this tutorial, we can see how to obtain the forum parameters using Servlet application. So here one small mistake is there. I'll correct this first and can move to the Servlet later, and then it is degree. And we can run this application. Alright, we got this one. So next thing is to create a Servlet application. So go for the web pages, right click on this web pages and go for the Servlets. So here in this one I can go for my Servlet. Click on the next and select this one and click on finish. So here I'll delete all the comments. Catch statement. Exception E, and then delete these comments too. This is a simple my Servlet application. So right now in this application we need to obtain all the parameters which was there in that index.jsp, and to obtain all the parameters we need to go for an enumeration object once more. Enumeration enum values equals to, you need to go for a string requested get parameter names. Requested get parameter names. So this will return array of enumeration objects, and here input this java.utility enumeration and then go for while. Use while loop enum value dot has more elements. If it returns true, then I'll keep executing the loop. That is a string name equals to, means a parameter name. Para name equals to, it should be string again, enum value values dot next element. The next thing is we can go for a string array here, string parameter values equals to it is supposed to be request dot get parameter values of string is a parameter name. That's it. So right now we need to print the values one by one. So go for the for loop. For int I equals to 0, then start with 0, and I less than, so para values The next thing is it is supposed to be length. Okay, so then next thing is we need to go for out.println. It is supposed to be para values of I. And after this we can print, sorry, you can print out.println. Here it is supposed to be break. So this is up to this Servlet application. We can see how to execute this one. Save this and run this application. Right, I got this form here, and I can put a name, a password, and here the degree. Text area is supposed to be hello, this is my tutorials. That's it, and submit the application. Alright, I got all the output here. Hello, this is my tutorials option 2 under degree and Amar the name and the password. So I got all the output onto the screen right now. So this is what actually the processing the form data. And first of all, we can go through this program. So whenever the toPost method has been called, so what we have done in this application is we have called the index.jsp. We have called the post method in index.jsp application. So that was specified over here. That is the method is supposed to be post, and the action is supposed to be my servlet. So this in this servlet, at the time what happened, the post method is going to execute. This is the post method. So when the post method execute, it takes a parameter process request by passing the request and response object to the process request method. This process request method is what actually content type is supposed to text by HTML and takes the object and object using the response.getWriter, that is print writer object, and it takes enumeration object. Enumeration values is equal to request.getParametersNames. So this method is used to obtain parameters in which we have more number of parameters. So, and again here enum values dot has more elements. If enum values is having the elements, so this request.getParameter values returns the enumeration string here, enumeration of string here, and then that will be stored in this enum values. So if elements are there, then we can go for one more string, the param name string enum values dot next element. So element by element we are adding to this param name, and then string para values is equal to means the parameter values is equal to request.getParameter values of parent name. So we are printing a value by value here, and that will be printed in this para values of I. So using the length, so whatever the values were there in that para values, that will be printed one by one using this for loop. So this is how the this is how the parameters are processed in our Servlet applications. So thanks for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial we can see more Servlet applications.